Hiya. Today again, what's that? 3rd of August 2026. Time is quarter past 6 p.m. I'm here in Slough, and I just want to, say something about Ocean Gate. What possible connection with Ocean Gate fertilizer ammonium nitrate? Pakistani man from Shahzada Dawood. Pakistani man, billionaire. Punjabi came American dream, British national, Sulaiman, British born, Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, buy one, uncle, Chichi, buy one, get one free, two in one, Ocean Gate, fertilizer bomb. I should be exploded somewhere, fertilizer bomb. Man, lot of green ammonia, ammonium nitrate. What was that? Tomorrow is Lebanon Beirut explosion. Beirut literally in Hindi Urdu is literally mean explosive gunpowder. Beirut. But Beirut, yeah, explosion happened. 4th August, 8 August. 9 was Nagasaki. 6 is Hiroshima. 1945. Rwanda. Forward na. Forward. Pakistani Munir. Asif Munir. No man, Munir. Minor. Child minor. It's a manor park. Minor. English. No English. I colored my beard today. Colored my hair also. I thought, man, just dye a little bit hair. Look smooth. Inferiority complex, looking younger. Yeah, Chichi. I will explain what Chichi mean full, but what was saying, yeah. These are just my international audience. Someone will try to understand us, then connect the dots with the major. It's all connecting with the prophecies and solar city. It's supposed to be very, but look, imagine green ammonia. Where is a liquid nitrogen, you can make it with cheap electricity. Ammonium nitrate with hydrogen and on the water. Tons of fertilizer, garden, solar city, gardeners, Caliph city. These are fires going on in Spain, France. They openly saying, but jobs are created for firefighters, good guys. Greek pilot accident happened from Britain and Norway. Pilots were there, good guys. Accident happened. What if it's a fix? What if it's a fix? International audience, why would they try to understand it if there was a solar city? Mechanical device, not a biological inspiration. Ammonium nitrate. Tomorrow Beirut explosion happened. And what was that? The grain, when the I think that's in Talmud. Jews book, holy book, Talmud, sorry. When prophet, no, Adam, forbidden fruit is in a new. I'm sorry, my religious, my international audience. I'm just trying to guess something. Maybe I think when it's always they try to connect it. They G01. The top faceless. I'm not saying Freemasons, Illuminatis, or other groups. Someone pulling the strings. But there's always a motive, some religious or some other casino, casino connection. So when Adam, God told him, don't eat that fruit. Adam actually Eve actually convinced, devil came in the shape of serpent. No, devil convinced Eve that you should eat, ask your husband to eat that fruit. That it is actually, it's a wheat flour, wheat. So they had eaten it, husband and wife, Adam and Eve, and before they were like not eating anything, no, like not going for toilet or feces or not coming out, urine or something, whatever they were eating it going out without it. But because they had eaten that solid food, wheat, so the feces, shit, feces came out. So excrements came, excrements, sorry, excrements came out, and God said, "Oh, you made my heaven, paradise, dirty. Get out." So they actually started. They both of them, husband and wife, Adam and Eve, they start hate each other, and they said, "What is this? That's dirty, stinky stuff." And they start to run away from each other. They hate each other. They start to put blame on each other, and God told them to get out from my paradise. So that's how. But that's the baby infant with the umbilical cord, not Abraham cord. That's the same thing. If infant do feces, that's bad. Mother and child can die. Yeah, whatever they eat, they go back. They don't eat from the mouth. No, the things don't go from the bracket also. Umbilical cord. I don't know where but that's the holy scripture, isn't it? So I'm sorry, not any religious. I'm just trying to guess, because it was a wheat silos. My solar city is solar tree is that tower is more look like a silo. It is a silo shape. Slav. Dawood Suleiman. Dawood. Dawood Shahzada. That's a prince. Shahzada Dawood. David. Son is Suli. Ah, see the movie Avatar. Suli. Suli. I saw the movie Avatar. Suli from Slav. That's in when Jesus crucified. That's in Bama Salaba Bama Katalo. That's in Quran, when speaking about Jesus in Quran. That's mean when the crucifixion is literally means Suli. Salah Suleiman auntie was saying rich billionaire Pakistani, special elite, top of the food chain. Indian Pakistani, they are good. Today Pakistani TV na Rizwan Ali was saying that Pakistani Nazia, my mother names Rizwan Ali, Rizwan Rodak. They're saying Donald Trump is in near the airport. No, he was saying in the aircraft, not aircraft. Central African president was at airport. Snowden was at airport 2011, I think. Crisis happened. Someone pulling that strings. Yeah, too much oppression overload, isn't it? Burgundy is no World Heritage now. They say World Heritage Rwanda. Reliving the memories. It's supposed to be futuristic city. A lot have gone back when Tariq bin Ziyad attacked Spain, Andalusia, from present day Ibrahim Tararo, Mauritania, Mali. That kind of look like very dark skin African attack Morocco. From Morocco now, they attacked. They called that made an empire, Andalusia. So the Sitta in Arabic I think is 007. Sitta, Tissa, Tamania, Ashra. In Arabic I think Sitta. Sota. Sota mean not English, definitely. I don't know what's in Spanish, but Sitta mean not Gaza, not Jerusalem, not Solar City. So the Sitta invasion happened. Rwanda. Someone was telling them to go there, promised land. There is a city there, promised land, Rwanda. Different fires, a different time machine, man. Einstein will be shocked. Would have been shocked actually. Will be shocked. Grammatically incorrect. Lot of man, everything we can be fascinated in a casino. No one. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, tell na 007. Tell that 007. There are some Indian uncles. I will try to move the camera put on there on my left hand side. I don't know which one. They are, you know, they are quite looking uncles. Tanman ji sakde si Salau MNA Ajay Banga Rishi Sanak Hamza Yusuf Sajid Javed Shabana Mahmood, yeah, Shamim Begum also a little girl. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq is a girl. 20% biggest joke to humanity. Joker. Zelensky attacking a wild berry. There is no, yeah, someone just log into my video will say what the heck is talking about. But if someone see it, and when the solar city will go up, someone, they will understand. Inshallah, Allah Akbar Islam. Which time machine है, which empire है, Tsar or Ottoman Empire is coming. No, British Empire. Let's make America great again. USA, which America? 1960s or 70s or 1800s British Empire. No, 19th century is British Empire. 18th, 20th century French Empire, Tsar Empire. Who sponsored Bolshevik Revolution? Nazis. Yeah. I'm gonna move that. Hello, I'm here in Islam. I'm moving these Indian uncles are sitting there. Look, look, look. Did you see them? I just moved the camera. Look, I'm in the mirror. I put so much weight on it. I will ready. Inshallah. Bye bye.